Payments made for real property taxes are potential income tax deductions. Can an individual pay someone else's property taxes and deduct that payment? The United States Tax Court addressed this question in Cramer v. Commissioner. In 1965 and 66, Michigan resident Virginia Cramer paid the property taxes on her mother's house. Cramer deducted those property tax payments from her personal income tax obligations for those years. Separately, Cramer owned a property on Auburn Street in Detroit, Michigan. Cramer sold the property to someone else on an installment payment plan, but she remained the legal owner on the title while the payments were being made. In 1964 and 65, the new owner didn't pay property taxes for the Auburn Street property, so Cramer paid them. The new owner also didn't make the installment payments. Cramer foreclosed on the property and retook possession in February 1966. Cramer paid all the property taxes on the property for the year and soon sold it to someone else. In her personal income tax returns for 1964, 65, and 66, Cramer deducted all the property tax payments she made for the Auburn Street property in those years. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue audited Cramer and determined that she had taken several improper personal tax deductions in 1964, 65, and 66. Some of the allegedly improper deductions were the property tax deductions Cramer had taken for the Auburn Street property and her mother's house. Cramer filed a petition with the United States Tax Court contesting the Commissioner's determinations. Cramer submitted evidence of several facts, including that she had repossessed the Auburn Street property on February 18, 1966, which was 48 days into the year, and that she sold it later that year. But Cramer didn't submit evidence of the exact date she sold the Auburn Street property. The tax court evaluated Cramer's petition